I'm cold and I'm hungry and snorkeling with Avery and Laura from the Squamish Nation, and I love Squamish Nation and snorkeling.
So beautiful. Avery, look at this.
I thought I'd hate this at first, and I was dreading this and I'm kind of tearing up. I thought I said I'll push through this, and it was amazing. Shana gave us that speech and gave us a hug. Made me feel a lot better. So I don't regret it anymore.
Every time I hear about, you know, the different new and exciting things that your generation is willing to do. You're willing to get wet. You're willing to be thrown in the water in a wetsuit. You're willing to learn about the fish. You're willing to learn about the animals. You're willing to learn to take back our culture and our ways in such a really intentional way. It's absolutely beautiful and amazing. And I'm so grateful to be able to come here and to welcome you home. And I hope that the Creator looks over you and protects you today. And that if you're carrying anything, if there's anything that's weighing on your heart, anything that's been hurting you, water is healing. Let it go. Leave it there. And just enjoy.
Skwxwú7mesh Thanking you, Creator, Átl'ța7tsem for this beautiful day. Thanking you for blessing us on this day. Please walk with us today as we do this good work. Thanking you for allowing us to travel here safely. Thanking you for the friends and family that have gathered together. Thanking you for our captain who's keeping us safe, taking care of us. Thanking you for these ancient lands that we have a chance to reconnect and learn from. Thanking you for the good grandmothers and grandfathers who carried on our teachings. Thanking you too for our friends who have come here today to share their knowledge and their gifts with us. Asking that you protect each and every one of us as we're here today, that you send us your good light and your good medicine. Thanking you so much for this healing opportunity of this day. Skwxwú7mesh.
Today's been such a fun day. Going into the water, having fun with all of you guys. My swallowing getting bigger and better, filled with love and pride. Proud to be here. Glad to be here.
It was really beautiful to see how the life is underwater and how they all have their own places they probably like to hang out. Like there was a lot of crabs and like little crevices just hiding away, which was really cute.
I really liked snorkeling again, even though I probably got more seawater in my mouth like 1,000 times, but I got it 1,000 times less than last time, so that's a good thing.
What's your name? Can we walk or not? What are you here for? To explore a whole new world. What's the coolest thing you saw? Oh my god. What was the coolest thing I saw today?
Make sure the heel of your fin is on.
I really like the sea cucumber. Oh yeah, that was cool. Yeah.
So now you can see Avery. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I cut this one in half. 5.
I'm glad I've been pushed out the few past times. And I feel like this is a great opportunity to go learn in other ways than just being in school. I'm very sure that our ancestors are grateful that we're here too. Spending time on our land and our water, having our traditional food like urchin, sea cucumber, salmon, crab. and I felt very peaceful and tranquil today. My heart is very full.
I just feel really happy right now. I may not show it because I'm tired, but I really am. And I just love this view.
I feel so full in my spirit, and I had a moment here with my niece sitting in this exact same spot, and I just thought, oh man, how awesome it is to sit here with your auntie. I never got to do that with my auntie. Just feel so fortunate, excited to be with you guys, and really blessed, and I'm gonna take this moment with me. I always wanted to be Scuba Steve too, thank you.
Scuba Steph.
Scuba Steph.
Next time we come, nephew, we need to bring our rake.
Welcome guys to my vlog again. Wow.